Click on the link below to get price. The Fujifilm X-T50 mirrorless digital camera with the XF16 50mmF2.8 4.8 or LMWR lens kit is a versatile and highly capable camera that appeals to both novice and experienced photographers. At first glance, the design is sleek and reminiscent of classic film cameras, with a sturdy yet lightweight body that feels great in hand. The tilt-angle touchscreen is a standout feature, making it easy to shoot from various angles, whether you're capturing landscapes or portraits. The performance is impressive, powered by a 26.1 MP APS-C sensor that delivers stunning image quality, even in low-light conditions. The camera boasts an ISO range of 160 to 12,800, expandable to 80 to 51,200, allowing for flexibility in challenging lighting environments. The autofocus system is fast and accurate, featuring 425 phase detection points, which means you won't miss those fleeting moments. Coupled with the electronic viewfinder, which provides a clear and detailed view, the X-T50 offers an excellent shooting experience. The XF16 50mm lens included in the kit is versatile, covering a focal length ideal for a variety of subjects, from wide landscapes to close-up shots. The lens also features a constant aperture, which allows for consistent performance throughout its zoom range. The weather-resistant construction is an added bonus, ensuring durability when faced with challenging weather conditions. In terms of connectivity, the X-T50 is equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, facilitating easy sharing of images to smartphones or other devices. The camera also supports 4K video recording, making it a suitable option for videographers wanting to create stunning content. Overall, the Fujifilm X-T50 with the XF16 50mm lens is a well-rounded camera that excels in both photography and videography. Its combination of style, performance, and versatility makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their creative pursuits. Whether you're capturing family moments or embarking on a travel adventure, this camera is ready to meet the challenge.